noticed in my school that most of the students mug up the concepts instead of actually understanding it.
That's how I and Haneesh created HamaraLabs.
HamaraLabs is a digital platform that connects students to makerspaces like adult tinkering labs, so that student can come there and experientially do things and can understand the concept better.
We take in parameters from the students as to what are his interests, and then we assign a tinkering activity based on his interest. So our competitors focus more on the in charges of the maker spaces. No one has the system to assign activities to the end users. However, our point of focus are the students and their aspirations in mind. As of now, our app is running in 2 adult tinkering labs, and also there are 10 other schools which are running it on pilot basis. Even some of the colleges are now using it as it is STEM based.
HamaraLabs, आकांक्षा पूरी करे।